How to create a rewards program for your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all the steps that you actually need in order to do so. Now, Shopify itself does not offer this, so instead we will be looking for third-party applications that can help us with this. Now, there is going to be a ton of selection when it comes to applications that we can use, but I'll show you some of the more popular ones. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first, we are just going to click on apps or add apps, and we basically want to go to the Shopify app store. Now, reward program, loyalty programs, it's pretty much the same. So it's just going to reward our customers for being customers, basically. So we can just go ahead and allow them to be more, happy with their purchase, and they get, and basically they will just come back more for your store if you have a rewards program. So it is going to be a win-win situation. So you can just go ahead and look up loyalty program and rewards, or just loyalty program, and I will show you a little bit around here. So I'm just going to be using Smile, but there is going to be a lot that you can also use, like here Bond, Game Ball, and you get the idea. There's going to be plenty to choose from. Feel free to just go ahead and check out the plans that are available, the ratings, and so on. But I believe Smile is going to be the one that actually wins when it comes to popularity. So we can just go ahead and click on Smile and install it real quick. You can also see the pricing tags here, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on install. And then from here, we are just going to basically set it up a little bit, and we can just go ahead and continue. So first, after you click on install, you would want to obviously finish up the installation process, and then we can just go ahead and continue. So you can actually see here, Smile rewards your customers with points, Smile points. And then, customers love being rewarded. It's pretty much what I was trying to say, but I failed doing so. And they will obviously be returning. So just go in and click on get started, and then we can just go ahead and set up the program. Now here's going to be some of the personalization stuff that you can go for. Now there is going to be you get to choose however you like. So just go ahead and choose whichever one is suiting your best needs, and you just click on next. And then you would want to also click on next here. And then you will want to start creating your program, we will start with the name. So we can just go ahead and name it whatever it may be. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then here we can also choose the brand colors. So we can just go ahead and choose any brand color here. And you also have the ability to customize it to your liking here with the color of your icon and text. We're just going to click on next. And we are pretty much ready to start rewarding. Click on launch your program, and you would want to basically allow it from the app embeds, and we are pretty much set. Now it's going to reward them with points, and with this points you will set up what they can actually achieve using them. So we can just go and enable it from here, and just click on exit. And like you saw briefly, you can actually see the bottom right, you will find the rewards, and you can set it up from here. So yeah, if we just go to our online store now, open it up, we can actually see now we should have the rewards section on the bottom right. And if you open this up, you can also just go ahead and start becoming a member, and ways to earn, ways to redeem, and so much more. So this is pretty much how to set it up. Now there's going to be a lot more to it. So if you want to set it up in depth, which I'm not going to show in this video because this is just going to be a brief video on how to get started, but you can feel free to set it up from the apps section here. Click on Smile.io, and there's going to be plenty of things that you can actually access and customize to your liking here. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.